Hello my dear friends and welcome back to the channel. This is Aftab. You're watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Yet another week ended very fantastic, very profitable. So today is 21st of November 2025 and I'm going to analyze this gold US dollar for the upcoming week that is going to start on Monday 24th of November 2025 and this week is going to end on Friday 28th of November 2025. The upcoming week is going to be the end of the month, so last weekly candle, and usually Decembers are also good for profits. First of all, I want to tell you a little bit change of format in these weekly forex forecasts, because at the same time I have to discuss these patterns and highlight all of them to the beginners as well, because these patterns can change definitely live. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna look at the 15-minute time frame, then the 1 hour time frame, then the 4 hour, then the daily, combining everything, and we'll be finding out a conclusion for the upcoming week, that what moves we can get and then how do we actually trade. I also focuses on that as well. So first of all, let's have a look at this beautiful pattern right here, my friends. Oh, fantastic, isn't it? A very nice, fantastic pattern I just have observed. You know, when I was live streaming, I pretty much don't like the MT4 these days, because these patterns are very nicely visible on the trading view. Do you see this pattern, this beautiful pattern? Why I'm discussing it today, especially in this video, is because I will be referring to this pattern again and again, because it works, it appears in the market, and then it can obviously be traded, especially even by the beginners as well, by literally everyone. Okay, so these patterns are so much important for us. Now in the comment section down below, do let me know how was your week. I will be waiting for your comments as well, right? And pretty much my intraday week was in front of you, plus the position trades. Let's see, I will be discussing that as well. Have a look at this beautiful pattern right here, my friends. You just see what the market actually did. Market took a very nice, beautiful rejection all the way from where did it take this rejection? From 4022. I will be discussing the 4022 in this episode as well. So but for now, just understand 4022, a very nice rejection has been taken on the 15-minute time frame. Now let's have a look at it, followed by a very nice move, and on this particular nice move, a rally. How this rally was going to be traded, if one was supposed to be trading it, I personally was asleep, so I could not trade it. I took some other trades during the live stream. Anyways, so let's see how this was tradable. Let's have a look at this beautiful candle. Market continue back up, took a very nice resistance from up there, a very nice one, then drop right here, and then finally we have got this beautiful pattern, validated. Look at the candles, look at everything, and it gave two chances to enter into the market. This particular trade right here was showing us this. Have a look at it, market dropping nicely. 15-minute candle closes red, 15-minute candle closes red. All of a sudden 15-minute candle closed green, another candle closed green, another one with a wick as well. What this tells us? This tells us a confirmed buy scenario right here. Okay, now stay with me, because I'm going to discuss the profits later. This was one entry, and obviously the other entry was right here at this particular zone, and maybe as this zone, but this was a very aggressive one. Still it was tradable, and right here this is again as this, and obviously there was one other. I will be again discussing the take profits later. There was another opportunity that was from right here. But you must be saying, Aftab, this is now the past, why are you telling us these things? There is a thing that I want to draw your attention to. What was that beautiful attention? And that beautiful attention is, just have a look at it. As per the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement, this was a very nice, fantastic and beautiful looking 61.8% retracement all the way right here. Let's delete this for now. All the way till right here, then all the way till right here, and then obviously all the way till right here. So anyone who took this beautiful opportunity, congratulations. I couldn't took it. Now the reason why I'm discussing it again and again, I want your attention to these things, okay? And this was just the intraday, okay? Keep these trades in mind. And now I'm going to switch to the H1. Let's have a look at this. Forget about what the market is doing right now. Let's first have a look at this beautiful 402 level. Well, my friends, if we look at this particular zone, this is a previous retest level. No rocket science, very simple. Try to learn these market things so that you recognize these patterns, because remember, if I'm live, obviously I will tell you this is a pattern, you can take it. But if I'm not live, you have to do it all by yourself, okay? Yes, want to make myself a bit sure. Anyways, how do I extend it? There is some music playing in the background as well in the earbuds, because I'm so happy today. I'm like, also I have changed the format of my forecast right here. Now let's delete. This was that M15 stuff. Now look at the H1. What this H1 was telling us is that look for a pattern. What type of a pattern? Candlestick pattern perhaps, or a double bottom pattern right here. So let's suppose if you are someone who were looking on M30, M15, how would you consider taking the profit right here? Okay, this was the right zone. This was the right zone. I'm deleting these other trades now. What message I wanted to deliver, I already delivered it. Let's clean the chart and let's see. That was that 15. Now further, let's see those who were looking to take this buy on the H1, they obviously need one more confirmation from the higher time frames. Let's have a look at this side. We have fantastic support right here. We have fantastic support right here. And on the M15, we have got a very fantastic double bottom, or whatever you call it, a pattern, a change of character, price action, you name it, double bottom with divergence. Now, how about the take profit, this one? Let's have a look at it. How? Simple things, simple. If you look at this particular zone, a very nice 61.8% retracement was right here, even from right here a 50%, and right here a 61.8% retracement. But have a look at it. This is now again 1 hour stuff, okay, because swing high to swing low. Let's have a look at it. Swing high to swing low right here. We have finally got breakout from this particular zone, and now what this market is suggesting us is already present on my chart. Just have a look at it. Just have a look at it right here. But do we need to say we need to buy right here? Well, no, we cannot buy right here. Now the weekly time frame in this upcoming week, since there is few couple of hours left for the market to close. But first of all, if for the week we see the weekly candle first, because I have to see how it closes. The candle is yet open, but I assume if it closes as this, it suggests no volume at all. So if it suggests no volume, the probability right here is on the H4. On the H4, that probability is this is the weekly low right here, and the market definitely can take a retest from right here till back up right here. It can take a very good retest, and if this retest fails, there will be one beautiful opportunity with us. That beautiful opportunity, in this beautiful opportunity, if I get a pattern on the M15, I will be trading. Otherwise, unless I don't get that, it is not beautiful. I just let it go. Okay, simple things, simple. Now what's next? The buy case scenario. The buy case scenario on the H4 till now so far, between these zones, I may not be able to say anything, but yes, I can say one thing. that these people are holding the position that I just discussed. This one, sorry, the buy position. These traders are holding these positions as this. Perhaps this it depends, but maybe they are going to give one move to the market. And where is that one move? That one move is right here. So yes, perhaps below this zone of approximately right here, and 39.97 below this, so a good one. And they are targeting as this. But my personal opinion is, just have a look at it. Just have a look at it like this. Just have a look at it like this. On one hand side of the market, it is telling me it is going up there. On the other hand side of the market, it is telling me it is coming right here. So what's next? What's next, my friend? In this one, I'm not interested. So how do I trade it? Well, first, I want to stay bullish, and when it break below, then I will say, okay, what I need to do. Maybe I can become a bull right here on a pattern, right here, maybe. And there is one other chance. Well, yes, if it continue, it is showing me this, but actually, how do I trade it? It will depend on this level 4015 approximately. This stop loss will survive as well, and I'm not saying it is going up there, okay, till now at this stage, but I just, on the basis of this data, want to find out some opportunities for myself. And if you see one more thing right here, look at this beautiful pattern right here. This beautiful pattern is keep repeating itself, but that time from right here back to 4200 I discussed in the previously weekly forex forecast, and this time maybe it is suggesting to 4160 as per my opinion. If I'm stopped out right here, I do nothing. I will further see, but till now so far this is just an assumption, this sell, and whenever it happens I will be able to discuss it. Again, my friends, thank you so much for being here with me in the live streams, and literally like in the videos as well. So how do you like this new format of my videos? I hope you will be telling me in the comment section down below. I'm so happy because my forecasts are finally bringing that positive change in your trading. Thank you so much. See you next time. Goodbye.